In this quick video, I'm gonna show you how to add fonts in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, we need to open any browser on our computer and go to either dafont.com or you can visit Google Fonts, and from these two websites you can download fonts for free and you can even filter it. So let's say I want to filter it by cartoon fonts, then I can do that from here and then they will show us all the cartoon fonts. And let's say I want to download this font, then for that I can just click on download from here and it will start downloading that font in my computer. Similarly, you can go to Google Fonts and you can search for any font here, and to download that font we need to select the font from here first and then click on get font and it will start downloading that font. And once you download your fonts, go to the downloads folder and this is the font I want to install. For that I need to open it in folder, then right click on that font and then click on extract all and extract the zip file in your computer. Now we need to open the folder here, then double tap on the font you want to install. If it has bunch of fonts, then you can select all of them like this and then right click on them and then click on install and it will install both of those fonts on your computer. Now we need to restart our DaVinci Resolve, open the project and then I need to select the text first, and here I can choose that font and the name of that font was Postbook. I need to look for it here. You can see this is the font, I have got it here, and now you can do all of the stuff you want to do on your text. Now it doesn't matter whether you are using this font for your DaVinci Resolve or Photoshop. This font will be accessible across all softwares in your computer. Now just go and install any font you want in your DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, then please consider subscribing my channel and like this video. For now, thanks for watching. Bye bye.